Riverponics in the house. Like literally in the house. This is a 4x4 tent. This will be a 6-plant growing system. Just got her built. Bringing stuff indoors. These two channels are tied together here with a 3/4 inch PVC pipe, no glued fittings. Channels are removable for cleaning purposes and what have you. There's the drain. Ultimately drains out of this channel back to the reservoir. Here's my patented compost tea brewer that actually delivers the water and nutrients through that pipe there out to the first channel, which you see right there. So I'm going to be doing some interesting grows with some different techniques I'm coming up with to make life, simple as possible when it comes to growing stuff. And that's what I'm all about. I got my it's a T5 6 bulb, 120 volt high output. I do offer these tents here, so what you see is what you get. My website is being updated. It's kind of a slower process, but things are being done and accomplished, and I wouldn't think too much longer I'll have it all back up to par. But I got this light in here. That was my grandfather's light. Actually, it was a bird feeder, and I turned it into a light, but he built this bird feeder when he was 92 years old. So his passion was woodworking, and this is my passion. So I figured, why not put the two together? It's a great memory. So yeah, stay in tune, man. I'll update you on the crazy things I'll be doing. Check me out, riverponics.com. Have a good one.